There's of course many ways to do this, but when you're renovating and you're pulling out old sink countertops, you want to make sure that you don't crack off the drain plumbing.
Yes, I've done that.
Again, a couple ways to do this. This one I took the traps off and put them back on, but what I wanted to show you is how to keep things from
Welcome
stinking.
back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
So I'm sure many of you know this already, but the way a trap works is it traps behind some water and leaves some water in the trap, which creates a liquid seal to block sewer gases from coming back up to the sewer. But if you took the trap off like I did and it had to empty out the water in order to remove sinks, you'll want to make sure to refill that. Also, if it was left for a long time and the water evaporated, if you had a vacant unit or something like that, every once in a while you'll want to add water to the trap to keep those sewer gases from coming up through that trap. Another way to do this would have been to cut the pipe a little bit higher up so that it didn't have to remove the trap and thereby empty the water from the seal. But I'm just showing you how if you refill those water seals, it'll keep the areas that you're working in a bit more pleasant rather than having those gases coming up.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.